among the many fantastic things to discover in this city. Will you look at this? This is a shoe shop. I put my sneakers into the washing machine and it destroyed them. So I discovered this shoe shop. But listen, it's not just another shoe shop. This is a shoe shop that's been here for 100 years. Can you imagine? Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this incredible? Here it is. Here's the son. This is the son-in-law. He married that beautiful girl. Look at that. He married. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that. Is it? Not only that, but look at this. Here is the where's Mama? No, is it the mother? She went up there. She went out, and there's the mother somewhere. Hello, madam. That's the mother. That's mother, and then that's the father. That's the father. Isn't it? Isn't that incredible? And look at the shop. This is a little shop, and they've been here. You guys, you've been here in this location for 100 years. In this location. You're in here for 100 years. Isn't that incredible? 3 generations. This is beautiful.